Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. I wanted to talk about the new USDA plant hardiness map that's been put out this year. There's been a lot of hubbub that's talked about it. I just wanted to talk real briefly about it. You need to look it up. I've got a copy of the map. Of course, it's just a copy, black and white, doesn't look really that good. But here in Tennessee, we actually changed. I think we used to be 6B and now we're 7A as far as the zone. The one thing that I like about this is the new map, and I don't know if the old map did it, but I never knew it too. You can put your zip code on the new map that we're going to link to and put that zip code in. It will tell you exactly your hardiness map. It just makes it a little easier. Now, call me a little bit country, call me a little bit backwards, but that's just, it just seems pretty easy. That might have been around a long time, but I didn't realize it. So just want to let you know, if you're in the middle of the country, you need to take a look at that because your hardiness might change just a little bit. They've done this over the last 30 years. Like if you're in North Dakota or if you're in Mobile, Alabama, I don't think you have much to worry about. It's not changed for you. But everybody in the middle of the country has changed a bunch. Hey, thank you so much. Tim's going to post this stuff on there so you can see it a little bit better. If you got any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Thank you so much.